If your grown-ups think you can't cook, show them they're wrong. Time to make a delicious dinner all by yourself. Today, we're making Salisbury steak, Velveeta mac and cheese, with peas, all in the microwave. Sounds fun, right? First up, grab your Banquet Salisbury steak and follow these steps. Take the tray out of the box. Vent the packaging and microwave on for 7 minutes. Then carefully peel back the wrapping and turn over each piece. Return to the microwave for 5 minutes or till heated all the way through. Let it stand for 1 to 2 minutes before serving. Next, it's mac and cheese time. Take a Velveeta shells and cheese cup, add water to the line, and microwave it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Stir in that cheesy goodness, and you're halfway there. Finally, let's get those veggies. Grab a cup of Libby's peas, open the lid a bit, and microwave for 30 seconds. Easy peasy. And there you have it. A tasty dinner in minutes. You did it. Don't forget to tell everyone, dinner is served. So go ahead and impress your family with your cooking skills tonight. You're a microwave master now. Happy cooking.